2, 3.
Hello, this is Christian with Top Line Roofing. Today we're here in 133 Hewlett Avenue, Riverside, New Jersey, about to do a attempt repair. As you can see, this shingle has a crease for wind damage. I will be replacing with a new shingle that you guys requested. A crease. As you can see, I just finished replacing this shingle with a shingle that you guys suggested me to do it. This color is not even similar to the top or the existing roof. And as you can see, look how the creases. We have a lot of creases on the top, creases all the way from this end to the other end. So this roof is definitely not repairable.